In this video, we'll be revealing 5 beautiful places to visit in Romania. 1. Bucharest. The vibrant capital of Romania seamlessly blends history and modernity. Visitors can explore grand landmarks like the Palace of the Parliament, one of the world's largest administrative buildings, and the elegant Romanian Athenaeum. The city's dynamic nightlife, bustling streets, and diverse cultural offerings make it an exciting destination. 2. Brașov. Nestled in the heart of Transylvania, Brașov enchants visitors with its medieval charm. The city is home to the iconic Black Church, a Gothic masterpiece, and offers stunning views from the Tampa Mountain. Nearby, the legendary Bran Castle, often linked to Dracula, adds a mysterious allure to this picturesque town. 3. Sibiu captivates with its well-preserved medieval architecture and rich cultural heritage. Known for its beautiful squares, such as the Large Square and Small Square, the city offers a glimpse into Romania's past. The Brukenthal National Museum showcases impressive art collections, while the European Capital of Culture status in 2007 highlights its vibrant art scene. 4. Cluj-Napoca, the unofficial capital of Transylvania, is a hub of culture and education. With a lively atmosphere fueled by a large student population, the city hosts numerous festivals and events. Historical landmarks like St. Michael's Church and the Union Square add to its charm, making it a must-visit destination. 5. Sighișoara, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, offers a journey back in time with its well-preserved old town. Colorful houses, cobblestone streets, and the clock tower create a fairy tale setting. The birthplace of Vlad the Impaler, the inspiration for Dracula, adds a touch of intrigue to this enchanting medieval city. These 5 places offer immersive experiences, weaving history, nature, and culture into the fabric of unforgettable journeys.